Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to the month of July. So happy new month to you all. Okay, so I basically want to teach you a very powerful day trading strategy that you can use whether you're a beginner or a pro trader. It doesn't matter. Okay, so this particular strategy works on other pairs, but it works fantastically on GJ. Okay, if you don't know what GJ means, I simply mean GBP JPY. Okay, that's the Great Britain pound and the Japanese yen. So you have to use this on the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, I'm on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so what you need is you simply need rejection blocks and you also need order blocks. These two ideologies is what you're going to be applying when it comes to trading GJ. It works fantastically. You can try it on other pairs, but for GJ it's just so sweet, especially if you understand the concept of order blocks and rejection blocks. So let's get right into it. If you stick to the end of this video, I have good news for you. There's something big happening in July, okay, so which you have to take advantage of to make money for yourself. If you stick to the end, you're going to get the news. Okay, so let's start. I have a few examples for you. So how do you know the best order block to choose? The order block you're going to be choosing, or the rejection block you're going to be choosing, should be the one that leads to a break of structure. Very important. The idea behind it is simple. If an order block leads to a break of structure, momentum moves from another block leads to a break of structure, it further confirms the fact that there are a lot of buyers or sellers at that level, which is going to further help push the price when price comes back there. So I need horizontal lines. Let me copy this. Okay, so you can see right here, look at this. We had this upward move that did what? That broke this structure. All right, so there's a BOS right here. BOS, there's a break of structure here. So we just need to come down and draw our order block. So we have this big order block, which is the last red candle before the bullish momentum. So we can draw it. It's a very big one, and we wait for price to come back to that region, and then we take our trade. Okay, so look at what happened. Price came into it right here and give us a buying opportunity. Very simple. That's the best way to trade GJ. Okay, all right, so that's the first example. I didn't mark out the examples, so I'll just be picking them out as I'm scrolling. Let's see, we have another right here. Okay, so let's see. Right here I'm looking for where we can have break of structure. Okay, there's break of structure right here. Look at this. This is a momentum move to the upside that led to the break of this particular structure. So you look for the last red candle, which is what I have right here. You can see that. Okay, so I'll wait for price to come back there. Price almost touched the level but did not, you can see. Okay, it came back down but did not touch the level, so that's a missed trade. It's better to miss a trade than to enter the wrong trade. Okay, so you stick to your strategy. Right here we have another break of structure. Let me delete these horizontal lines, there are too many. I don't want confusion. Okay, so what did you have here? We have bullish move, and then structure was broken. Okay, just try to understand the concepts and then go back test on your own. You are going to see that this strategy actually works. So momentum move, break of structure. Let's look for our order block, which is the last red candle just before the bullish push. So I want to mark out the boundary quickly. Okay, so let's see what happened. Look at this. Price tapped right into it and then gave us a push to the upside. So you just have to train your eyes to look for where you have momentum moves that broke structure. Then you look down for rejection blocks, or what's it called, or order blocks. Then you mark out the boundaries and wait for price to come back into it, and then you take your trade. For example, let me give an example of a rejection block. This is a rejection block. You can see this rejection candle. You can mark it out like this. Okay, you can mark it out like this and wait for price to tap into it. Okay, so let's see. You can see price tapped into it right here. Okay, and then give us a buying opportunity. When you're looking at GJ general, the chart looks rough. Okay, you see a lot of wicks here, wicks there, but this is the secret behind trading it. Just patiently wait for where you have a clear break of structure. Once you have that, draw out. I can see a break of structure here. There is like a resistance level, or what do you call it? Yes, a resistance level up here, and then you had bullish momentum that broke it. You can just go down to the last red candle that caused that move. Okay, draw out the boundary like this, and then you wait for price to come back there. I think price already tapped into it here, but let's see if we have on that tap. Yes, we had on that tap. Price tapped into it, respecting it, did not go beyond the level. Definitely your SL would have been below that, and what happened? You had a push up there. So I'm sorry if this if this particular explanation is not well structured and ordered, because most times when I want to do my strategy videos, I try to use arrows to point out where the examples are, so I don't miss anyone, in order for you to see exactly how it's going. But I just did this like roughly. Anywhere you see the break of structure, you look for, the order block, or what's it called, rejection block, and then draw your boundary, wait for price to come back. Okay, so to the good news that I have for you today, I have decided to give you super signals for free, okay, for this month. Okay, so all you just need to do is go to the comment section. I'm gonna drop a link through which you can join the free signal group. Okay, and is gonna be A+ setups. Let me just drop this. If you're trading my signals with demo, you are doing yourself a great disservice. Okay, so you're just losing opportunities that you could use to make money. All right, I am not practicing or trying to learn a particular strategy. No, this is a tested strategy that I have personally tested for close to 2 years now. Okay, so it's super back tested. It's a powerful strategy which I use to trade. Okay, so it's not going to be free forever. Okay, it won't be free forever. So this is an opportunity for you to just make some money. So when I start charging, you'll be able to pay. Okay, so if you are a new viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.